Struggling to make sense of overwhelming spreadsheets? Today, we're unlocking the power of Excel filters to make your data sing. First, let's get our data ready. Imagine this is your sales report. Notice how each column has headings like product, sales rep, region, and sales amount. This is crucial for filtering to work effectively. To apply filters, you simply need to select all the data you want to work with. The easiest way is to click anywhere within your data, and then press Ctrl on your keyboard to select the entire block. Now, navigate to the Data tab at the top of your Excel window. Look for the Filter button. It usually looks like a funnel. Click on it. Instantly, you'll see small drop-down arrows appear next to each of your column headers. These are your filter controls. Let's say you only want to see sales from the North region. Click the drop-down arrow next to the region header. A menu will pop up showing all the unique values in that column. Uncheck Select All to deselect everything. Then scroll down and check the box next to North. Hit OK and watch as your spreadsheet miraculously updates, showing you only the sales data from the North region. All other data is temporarily hidden, not deleted. You can layer filters. Now, let's say within the North region, you only want to see sales for product X. Click the drop-down arrow on the product header. Again, uncheck Select All and then select only product X. Click OK. See? Now you have a precise view of sales for product X. Specifically in the North region, filters make data analysis incredibly efficient, helping you spot trends and get insights fast. To remove a filter, simply go back to the Data tab and click the Clear button, or click the drop-down arrow on a filtered column and select Clear Filter from Master Excel Filters, and transform your data experience.